Last purchase in 2020, it's time for a 4-year review on this Goldwood Sound Woofer. Welcome back to Garage Matters. Today we'll be taking a look at the subwoofers down in this door card. Now when I first purchased this vehicle, these subwoofers, they were already blown. So I was looking for a good alternative speaker that would fit inside this enclosure. I ended up taking this vehicle to an audio shop and they told me that this vehicle comes with a 6.5-inch speaker. I knew that I was wrong, so I told them no. I brought it back home and I did my research. Now the speaker that I ended up going with is the Goldwood Sound Woofer. We'll go ahead and take off this door panel so we can take a look at the woofer and I'll give you my 4-year review. Now here's the speaker removed. We'll go ahead and measure it real quick. 8 inches. So for this Celica GT-Four, it has a super live sound system. The subwoofer really is an 8-inch speaker. This speaker fits this bracket perfectly. I had no issues installing it. It fit right in here just fine. All the mounting screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, they fit just fine. 4 years of use and this speaker is not blown. And it could just be due to the factory amp on this vehicle not powerful enough to blow these speakers, but that's fine. Now with this enclosure, it definitely helps produce those low tones that I really like. We'll flip it over real quick. Take a look on the back side. So this is the back side of the bracket right here. We'll take a look at the side profile. Kind of looks like the maximum depth is about 4 inches, so about 4 or 4.5 inches. So that's why I had to go with this speaker. This speaker is actually for home audio, but I use it for car audio and it works just fine. Let's take a closer look at how much clearance there is between this bracket and the magnet right here. This speaker barely fits this bracket right here. Now I did purchase another speaker to try to fit it inside this bracket before I bought this Goldwood. This speaker, the magnet is too fat. It doesn't fit inside this bracket right here. So that's one of the things you want to look out for when you're purchasing a new replacement speaker, especially for the Celica GT-Fours with the super live sound system. Now this Goldwood right here, I really do like. It's 4 ohms compared to this 8 ohm right here. 4 ohms, that's going to draw less power to power the subwoofer. Not only that, but the low range of this speaker goes down to 25 Hertz, which is going to help produce those low sounds that I really enjoy. We'll go ahead and put this back on the vehicle and we'll do a sound check. Now let's take a look at this door panel again. Oh, this dynamite right here again. Help absorb all those vibrations. Take a look inside of this door panel right here as well too. So inside of here, I have some more sound absorbing material in here. I stuck it back here on purpose to absorb those vibrations coming off the subwoofer to help keep this door from vibrating. Alright, so we're gonna go into our menu system, set up the subwoofer. Subwoofer, alright, so we're gonna go down to 30 Hertz. Let's talk real quick about this crossover right here. For the subwoofer, I like staying at 30. That way when I turn up the volume, these subs, they're only gonna pick up the low notes and provide me that sweet, sweet sounding bass. Slope at 24, gain at 0. Okay, that is good. We'll go over to the fader balance. Turn off the front speakers and the rear speakers. So we're gonna go like that. Front left. So the front left speakers, they're not installed right now. That's why it's front left. That way everything's going to the front left. No sound's gonna come back from the back speakers. I just want to test out the subs right here. So the fader balance is good. We'll go back and turn the music on. Test out these subs. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start at 5. Go to 10, 15, 20, 25, and then 30. This is what it sounds like at 5. Let's go up to 10. We'll go up to 15. Go up to 20. $25. And we'll stop at 30. Alright, we're turning back down to about 25. Normally when I'm driving this car, I'm listening with the music at 25. So this is what it sounds like with these subs in here. Plenty of bass whenever I'm driving this car around town. Now those Goldwood speakers, even though they're made for home audio and not for car audios, those were the only ones that I could find that would fit inside the bracket. And that's just the way it goes sometimes when you modify your vehicle. Now over the last 4 years, the performance that I've gotten out of those subwoofers has been excellent. I couldn't ask for more because inside this vehicle is so tiny that those subs produce just enough bass to make it sound nice for the listening experience. And it sure sounds a whole lot better than those blown factory subs that came with this car. That's going to do it this week for Garage Matters, and remember, join us next time on Garage Matters and hit that like and subscribe button.